3, 2, 1, go!
There's a giant chicken in the crowd, which means it's match 15. Teams immediately starting their autonomous period. For the Red Alliance, their team is scoring some fuel from their human players. Here comes Team 5823, that's Ace, raining in the fuel for the Red Alliance now. Meanwhile, for the Blue Alliance, their human players doing the same thing, shooting their pre-built fuel in. Now they're trying to get some points in. And the 2-minute, 20-second tally-up period has begun. Both teams are on offensive, but Blue will remain on offensive after the Alliance shift, which will occur in 3 seconds. Team 3200 trying to get some fuel onto their side of the field. 5823 Ace shooting some last-second shots. Now it's the Blue Alliance's turn here. Here's 7496 loading themselves up, trying to get some shots in now. Lining themselves up. They're trying to get some shots in. Meanwhile, 1329, that's the Vipers. Now they're shooting some fuel in. Trying to find the right angle here, and here comes the fuel for the Blue Alliance. 5 seconds remain in this offensive period, though. And now let's turn our attentions to Red, where here's 5823 Ace, shooting some fuel in, getting the fuel rained in here. 9428, that's the Cashew Chickens, pushing some fuel onto their side of the field, trying to play a little bit of defensive in this offensive period. Trying to be a little bit of pest here. Meanwhile, 9031, they're trying to load themselves up some fuel, prepare for offensive, which should occur in 5 seconds left. A very close game so far. On the Red Alliance, Team 5823, that's Ace, stuck on some fuel, but they got unstuck there. Now 9428 in the middle of the field, looking to play a little bit of defensive here. Trying to get themselves in here. Here's 5823 Ace looking to pick up some more fuel here. Trying to get themselves prepared for the next offensive period. 10 seconds left in this Alliance shift. Blue is raining in the fuel now. Their human players shooting some. So alongside their robots. Current score 65 on the Blue Alliance to Red's 48. Red needs to do a little bit of work to catch up, and now they have the chance to do so. Here's 5823 Ace. Now they're loading in the fuel here. All that fuel dumping out the other side of their hub. We've got a piece of fuel stuck on their hub there. Meanwhile, 9428 continuing to do their due diligence. Loading some fuel up onto their side of the field. 3200 trying to do the same here. 37 seconds remain in this match. Red with a lead of 76. Blue with 65. 30 seconds left now, which means it's in game. Both teams are now on the offensive. 74-96 lining themselves up to shoot. Can't seem to get their shooter quite working there, but here's 90-31. Trying to light themselves up as well. Meanwhile, 1329, that's the Vipers. Now moving to the Red Alliance side. They're going to go play a little bit of defensive. 9428, the Cashew Chickens at 1329. Vipers are locked in there. 1329, Vipers still trying to play a little defense, prevent Red from scoring, but it might be too little too late for the Red Alliance, for the Blue Alliance. 3 seconds left now, and that will conclude match 15. And the winner of qualification number 15 is the Red Alliance, with a final score of 104 to Blue's 77. Red picking up 4 ranking points in the process, while Blue gaining none. All right, after this fieldless reset, we will be back with match number 16.